Still staring at those tax forms and feeling completely lost? You're not alone. Tax season can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. At NTRC, we make tax preparation in Stone Mountain smooth and stress-free. Our expert team handles everything from gathering your documents to filing your returns. Want to avoid penalties or maximize your refund? We've got you covered. With NTRC, you'll turn confusion into clarity and paperwork into progress. Let us take the stress out of tax season so you can focus on what really matters.